Welcome back to TechWave Reviews. Party Popper. Today, we're diving into a truly fascinating tool that's made waves in the woodworking world, the CMT DAT Stack Blade. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that just another saw blade? Oh no, my friends. This is not just any blade. This tool has a history, and it's one that includes getting banned in 27 countries since 2018. So, what's the deal with that? Why was the original DAT Stack Blade banned? And what makes this new version not only compliant with EU regulations but also safer than the older versions? Well, buckle up, because we're about to explore everything from high-speed teeth to EU safety standards, and why woodworkers everywhere are excited about this comeback story. Before we get into all the details, let's break down what exactly a DAT stack is. Basically, it's a blade designed to cut wide grooves or dados in wood. Picture yourself building a bookshelf out of plywood. You need a perfect groove for each shelf to fit snugly into place, and that's where the DAT Stack Blade shines. It's a time saver, allowing you to cut wide slots in just one pass, instead of making endless 1/8-inch passes with your standard blade. Imagine trying to cut a deep groove 457 times with a regular blade. Talk about exhausting. But there's a twist, literally. The older DAT Stack blades used to stack multiple blades with chippers and shims to get the perfect groove width. The problem? These pieces didn't lock together, which meant they could move independently during a sudden stop. Imagine spinning a bunch of blades on your table saw, only for them to stop suddenly, while the inner blades just keep spinning like they've got somewhere better to be. The result? The blades could clash, and we're talking shrapnel flying everywhere like a grenade. Definitely not what you want in your workshop. This is why the old DAT Stack Blade was banned across 27 countries. It was just too dangerous, especially with all those moving parts. But fast forward to today, and we have a new hero, the CMT DAT Stack Blade that locks together like a high-tech jigsaw puzzle, moving as one cohesive unit. Now, if something bad happens, everything stops at once, minimizing the danger. The new CMT DAT Stack Blade is also a breeze to set up. Forget the frustrating blade assembly where you have to make sure the teeth aren't touching each other. This version clicks into place, and you just slide it onto your table saw as a single unit. No hassle, no stress, just set it and start making those wide grooves. Plus, it features 12 teeth, which may sound like a low count compared to a 40-tooth blade, but when you're hogging out a ton of material, that's exactly what you need: less teeth, more power. But you might still be wondering, why would I need a DAT Stack Blade? Well, if you're making box joints, grooves, or even half laps for furniture, this blade will save you a ton of time and give you perfectly square, clean grooves that a standard blade simply can't match. Whether you're building cabinets, bookshelves, or any project that requires joining pieces of wood with precise slots, this blade is a game changer. If you're on the fence about getting a DAT Stack Blade, I have one word for you: efficiency. It's not just about making cuts, it's about making your life easier and your projects look more professional. And the new CMT DAT Stack? It's safer, easier to use, and gets the job done faster than ever. Alright, TechWave fam, what do you think about this game-changing, one-span now back-end better blade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tools, tips, and reviews. See you next time, and stay safe out there.